Let me ask you a question. Why is it that when money finishes in your hand like this, that's when motivation suddenly disappears too? Because you start hearing things like, oh, I don't even know what to do. I've been thinking of starting a business, starting something. I just need one good idea. Meanwhile, you have been thinking about this thing for 3 weeks, and nothing has moved. Nothing. Look, let me tell you something here, and this is a very honest truth, all right? If you are at home right now, maybe you're a new mom, maybe you're between jobs, maybe life just pressed pause on you for now. Look, this is not the season to be thinking too much. This is the season to move, because when money is low, overthinking is also very expensive, okay? You don't need 20 ideas. What you need is one thing that can bring money quickly. Not perfect ideas, not even long term. Something that can work right now. Because let's be honest, some of you are still trying to figure out your dream business with 0 naira in your account, no backup, no savings, just vibes and inshallah, vibes and deep thinking. Look, it doesn't always work like that, okay? You guys, I keep it real here. Right now, what you need is something simple, something that people are already paying for, something that you can start from where you are. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do from home that can realistically bring in money quickly. And if you're someone who is serious-minded, you can even push it to 50,000 naira per day. But as you are watching, I don't need you to just be nodding your head and agreeing with what I'm saying. Ask yourself, which one can I actually start this week? Because ideas don't change anything. I keep saying this, only action does. Now, let me start with something that I have personally done and I'm still doing, and that is juicing, okay? And when I say juicing, I'm not talking about random blending once in a while. I mean structured juicing. Look, people actually pay for this heavily. There are people who want to drink healthy juices, but they don't have the time, or they don't even have the strength. Now, some of them don't even know what to mix, what fruits to combine together. And that's where you come in. What I used to do is simple. People send me what fruits they want for the week, the fruits, the vegetables. I go to the market. I buy everything, I sort it out. I juice it, freeze it, package it, and send it over to them. It's as simple as that. Now, let's actually talk about money. I mean, if you start as a newbie, one bottle might be 2,500 to 3,000, and you sell 20 bottles, that's already about 50,000 naira. You don't need 1,000 customers. You only need the few serious ones ready to pay you money, because you need money. You don't need people that will be buying on credit. I beg, give me, I'll pay tomorrow. No, ma. No, sir, we not dey sell credit for you. Have to say that money dey. We for not even dey do this business in the first place. So you now, you not go drink juice on credits. We not dey sell come today, pay tomorrow. Hold your money. Now, why would they sell 2,500? If we wanted you to owe us money, we would have pegged it at 5,000 naira so that you can be paying small. But we started cheap because you say, say fruits cost. Fruits cost to juice are not easy. Especially cold pressed juice like my own brand, Betha's Kitchen. Now cold pressed, I know they add water. So you say calculate how many fruits I go use before I get one bottle. You know if you pay me tomorrow, sir. Not verse. Okay? Now you might even be thinking, oh, but Betha, I don't have customers like you. That's where a lot of you actually get it wrong. Okay, look, if you are waiting for customers to come to you, you're never ready. You need to go to them. And where are the people that like juices? Where can you find them? Number 1, gym. Fitness groups, your salon, the spas near you, offices. You fit even create WhatsApp group, post it, talk about it, offer samples if you can. Because let me tell you something here. Your first customers are not online strangers. Now the people when they around you, your close circle for church, those are the people that will buy first. Okay, so stop looking for, oh, I need to get them on the internet. Oh, how can I? You need to talk to the people when they're near you offline. Offline. That's why I keep saying word of mouth. Because I know people start asking me again, Betha, how do we go about it? Word of mouth. Oh, madam, I did do juice. Oh, say juice good for your body. It's really healthy. I don't even add water. Like, I don't add one single drop of water. It is natural, fresh. I dey do am. If you want, I can be bringing for you, I can be bringing it to church for you every Sunday. You freeze for the week. Next Sunday, I bring another one. Just tell me the fruits you want for the week. Tell the people in your salon, not be to go dey do amebo. Dey talk wetin no concern you. Any topic wey dem raise for that salon, person, something, you must talk about your business. Oh, I make juice. So tell your hairdresser you make juice, whether make you dey supply am, so that when people come her salon come make hair, she now go dey sell for them. You understand? So you fit supply her at a discounted rate. You understand? Just do something. No just sit down there dey tell me, oh, I'm a nursing mom. Oh, I don't really have a job now. I'm still searching for a job. I don't know what to do. You never ready. When you ready, I go know. Anyways, moving on. Let's talk about something very real. Food. People are tired. People don't have time. Let's be honest. Life is already stressful. Okay? Now imagine coming back from work and still thinking what to cook. I keep telling you, some people are not lazy. They are just tired of life. See, life don't tire them. And those people are your customers. You can start meal prepping. Simple meals, rice, stew, soup, beans. See, nothing fancy. Just reliable food. Package it well. Let it look clean. Let it look inviting. Maybe say, even if they no get appetite, once they see am, belle don open. Okay, they don't need go sha. Let somebody open their fridge and just smile. Some people will even open it and start praying for you. I told you people this thing. Imagine being paid and then they are still praying for you at the same time, saying it go better for you. That one a double blessing. All right? And let's talk about money, because of course money is involved. If you have 5 customers and each of them pay you 10,000 naira for weekly meals, that's 50,000 naira from just 5 people. Again, you don't need crowd. You just need consistency. Okay? Now, let me even ask you, would you pay someone to cook for you for the week? Be honest, don't lie to me. Because I know many of you want it. It's just that you haven't admitted it yet. Anyways, this one that I want to talk about, money day inside. Yeah. You see snack packs, small chops. Things people can quickly buy and eat. Maybe say if they dey traffic, they dey office, they fit just dey use toothpick, they chook am for mouth. Yes. People may not have time to cook, but they will always have time to eat. Just hold that one, always. And you can start by making puff-puff, chin-chin, buns, spring rolls, samosa. See, all these things, dey internet, dey YouTube. All you need to do, package it nicely. Sell it in packs, maybe 1,000 naira per pack. Look, if you sell 50 packs, that's already 50,000 naira. See, you don't need to overthink this thing. Don't overthink it. Just start with the people around you, your neighbors, your church, office. If you dey work for office, if you no dey work, go there, tell them say you dey do am. Your hairdresser shop. Then from there, you can expand. Because movement is actually what brings money, not overthinking. You think from now till tomorrow, you still broke. You dey understand me? Let me say something here, and this might sound very small, but it is actually the reason many of you are still broke. And I'm not even capping. You are waiting for perfect conditions. You are waiting for perfect money. You are even waiting for perfect ideas, perfect confidence. See, that perfect day is not coming. And now, take it from me. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Because small money is better than zero money. Your first hustle, I've said this before, your first hustle is not your forever hustle. All right? It is just a stepping stone. It is what gets you out of the, oh, I don't have anything phase. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Pick one idea and start. Then, of course, you can adjust as you go. Unless say you never really broke. You just dey lie to yourself. You just dey deceive yourself. Dey whine yourself. But anyways, if this video helped you, please share it with someone who is currently at home, maybe confused and just saying, oh, I don't know what to do. And, in the comments, please tell me, which one of these can you actually start this week? I'm not talking about next week. I'm not talking about next month. I'm talking about this week, preferably tomorrow, because ideas don't change your life. Action does. All right? If you like this video, please subscribe for more real conversations about money, adulting, and just figuring out life as we go. All right, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching up until this point. I love you so much, and of course, I will see you on the next one. Okay? Bye.